Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our in-depth guide on replacing the laser and flex components of your Neato robot vacuum. Let's dive into the tools you'll need for this task. First, gather a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a small brush for cleaning. You might also want to have a microfiber cloth handy for any dusting. Begin by ensuring your Neato robot is turned off and disconnected from the charger. This is crucial for your safety. Next, you will need to remove the dustbin. Simply press the release button and pull it out. This allows easier access to the internal components. Now, let's locate the screws that hold the top cover in place. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws carefully. Make sure to keep them in a small container so they don't get lost during the process. Once the screws are out, gently lift the top cover. This will expose the internal circuit board and the laser assembly. At this point, take your small brush and clean any dust or debris that has accumulated inside. A clean environment will ensure optimal performance once everything is reassembled. Now, let's focus on the laser component. You'll notice it is connected by a few wires. Carefully disconnect the wires by pulling them straight out, be cautious not to yank them. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable performing this repair, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Next, take your new laser component and connect it by pushing the wires back into place. Make sure they are secure and properly aligned. If you need assistance, our service includes pickup and delivery at your home, making it convenient for you. After reconnecting the laser, it's time to address the flex component. This can often become worn or damaged. Identify the screws that hold it in place and remove them with your Phillips screwdriver. Gently lift out the old flex component and replace it with the new one. Before reassembling, double-check all connections and ensure everything is clean. If you have any doubts about the process, remember that we provide quotes before repair, so you can make an informed decision. With the new components in place, carefully align the top cover and push it down until it clicks into position. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier and ensure they are tightened securely. Finally, replace the dustbin and turn your Neato robot back on. Run a quick test to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, keep in mind that no calls, no travel is our motto, so we can assist you without any hassle. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the laser and flex components of your Neato robot vacuum. Thank you for following along in this tutorial. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.